Hi guys, it's me Laura, and today I am doing ceiling fan. That's right. I am excited to show you things in the house that we use on a daily. And this is definitely it, especially in the summertime. Okay, let's be honest. We really don't turn ceiling fans off. We just flip them around and they're circulating in the wintertime as well. This is a great fan. The blades reach far enough to expand the air to go about in this room. It works perfectly. We didn't need a light in this room, so this ceiling fan, which we have ceiling fans in almost all the rooms, okay, maybe not the bathroom, but all the other living spaces, but this one we didn't need a light. We have can lights up in the ceiling, so we just didn't need one for this one. It has a simple pull chain, so you can adjust it. It is just stunning. If you can hear that it's not noisy, and we have replaced fans that go click, 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 and this one is just really, now it was on the highest speed, but look at this one. This one's on the medium. Let me listen. Silence. Don't you love it? I love it. So then you could just pull it again and it can go through the different realms of how fast you need it. So in essence, for a ceiling fan of a room that needs a bit more air circulation in it, this bad boy is something that I would choose.